The perfect side to basically any barbecue food, cornbread. But in this case, it's gonna be my take, is gonna be like a corn pone, cornbread, kind of dessertish. It's an amazing dish. You're gonna love it. It's quick, simple, and easy. Let me show you how to get it done. It's really awesome to see you. If you haven't been here before, please consider hitting the subscribe button down below. Have all kinds of videos to do with food, specifically barbecue and other awesome foods, and beer and product reviews. This is the base of the recipe we're gonna make. It's Krusty's honey cornbread. However, we're not gonna go off of the directions on the back. We're gonna do our own thing here, and we're gonna come up with an incredible dish. It suggests that you start the oven at 400 degrees. I'm gonna start it at 375, and that's gonna be the first thing that we wanna do is go ahead and get that oven warmed up to 375. The recipe on the box calls for 1 egg. I use 2 eggs. And that's gonna give us a little more richness. I'm gonna whisk those eggs together real quick. Let's get the rest of the wet team together. The box recipe calls for 2/3 cup milk. What I'm going to use is 1/3 cup regular milk and 1/3 cup heavy cream. There's our heavy cream, and there's our organic milk. Here's the major change in this recipe, and that's the oil. The box calls for 1/3 cup vegetable oil, but we're only gonna put a half of that in. We're gonna put 2 tablespoons, or 1/8 cup of oil in. I'm gonna whisk that together real quick. And now the game changer. This is what really makes this come together. And it's the butter. It's 1.5 sticks of unsalted butter. Melted down. And we're gonna whisk that together. That's really what gives the corn pone or the cornbread or whatever you wanna call it, wet cornbread. That's what gives it this wonderful, wonderful moisture that you're gonna see, and what gives it all the magic. All right, so now it's time to put our dry ingredients in, which is the box mix. We're gonna kind of put about half of it in there, whisk that together. And then we'll put the other half in. And we'll bring that together. All right, one more thing to put in. 1 can of cream style sweet corn. And we're gonna dump that in. And now we're gonna whisk that together. Bring all of that together. It's an 8 by 12 pan. I'm just gonna take some coconut oil, which is what I used in the mixture. I like coconut oil more than vegetable oil. It called for vegetable oil, but coconut oil's better for you. Let's go ahead and get it in. Jiggle it back and forth a little bit till it evens out. We're ready to go in the oven. It's gonna cook for about 20 minutes depending on your oven, and you know, a lot of different variables, but you know, I'd set my timer for about 18 minutes and then start checking it.
tell you this cornbread's good for your body. That would be a lie. But I can tell you this cornbread is really good for your soul and your taste buds. This stuff is amazing. You have to try it. I also have another video to do with this cornbread. I'm gonna put the link up above. It's called The Best Sandwich You've Ever Had. Make sure you check that out.
I really appreciate you sticking around to watch the whole video. Check out these other videos over here. You may very well be interested in those also. The inspiration behind the videos is your feedback. And the best way to give me your feedback is to hit the like button down below. Most importantly, hit the subscribe button down below. And you can also leave comments. I can't wait to see you next time.